Hi guys, it's your girl Jet, and we're here with another video unboxing. Today's video, I lost my train of thought. Today we're gonna do VineOh. VineOh's fall box. I know I'm late. Everybody else did theirs. I apologize. So business first. So VineOh is a quarterly subscription box. It's $59.99. You get 2 bottles of California wine with it, and this part of the box, the lifestyle part, comes with 5 to 6 full-size products. According to the thing, it's to the paper, it's over $120 worth of value. That's including the wine. And if I can find the link, when I subscribed, I get an extra 3rd bottle of wine for like ever through the course of my subscription. I'm sure if I drop it and get back up, I only get 2. So incentive to stay, right? So anyway, and oh, when you're on their little website, if you do subscribe, and I will put a link down below, while you're on the website, you can tell them, like, I like all reds, I like all whites, I like a combo. Surprise me, whatever. They'll do that. So let's get to the unboxing part. I love the unboxing part. Dun 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 dun. Ooh! Boom! Look at this. It's a fairly decent sized box. It's really light, but it's fairly good size, so that's good. Okay, so first, VineOh does this thing where which I appreciate. I completely appreciate. They always give us like these cards. And the cards will give you like a detailed description. And I'm not going to be one of those unboxers just going to read every word on these boxes. I mean, on these cards. But it does give you a detailed description and maybe the price. Maybe not the price. But you do get a detailed description. Really? There's no price? I like it when they give me the price. It makes me feel like I got a better deal. So, first of all, I can see right there on top. Let's see. Let's spread this out. We got a Carly Rae wine lover tote bag. Cute. This would be great because right now everybody's we all have the, excuse me. We all have the recyclable bags. It says, I enjoy long romantic walks down the wine aisle. That's not even true for me. I hoof it in, get my shit, and get out of there. A lady with a... If I'm going for wine, then I got business to tend to. It's been a long day. Okay, so there's that one. And then on this one we have Refresh dry shampoo. This is a ginormous can of dry shampoo. Oh my gosh, should I spray it on my hair? Oh, it smells vanilla-y. Oh, it smells good. God. If I spray this on my hair, I'm afraid it might make my hair wet. I will follow up in the description of whether or not it made me look like I had dandruff. But that's a full-size can. I've never seen a can this big. I don't normally buy dry shampoo, but my daughter uses it all the time, and I get like a lot of like Ipsy and stuff. So she loves it. So I will hit her up, and if she likes it, I'll let y'all know. I'll comment my own video. So what's in the bag? What's in the bag? The bag usually means a jewelry item. Yep, here it is. Cosmic cuff set. A Jules Smith cosmic cuff set. Oh, how pretty is that? It's very dainty. Very, very dainty. And then I just like tear into it like a crazy woman. I'm so crazy. Couple of bangle bracelets. Oop. Is it gonna, do I have to block out my head? Jesus Christ, I am the worst at this. How does everybody else do it? Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, so anyway, Can you believe I raised 2 humans and all that and nobody ever died under my watch? Like, I feel like I'm a mess. These are super dainty. Ooh, they may be a little too dainty for me. But those are gorge. Those are really gorge. We're going to try it again. What? Oh, we still can't do it. What is wrong with me? Right? What is going on? Okay, this side can work, and it's nice and big. Ta-da! Vanilla chai popcorn. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat this while I drink this wine. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna finish this box really quick. What's this? This looks like a blankie of some kind. This is a Willow Collective blanket scarf. A blanket scarf. A blankie scarf. Hi, baby. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Let's get back on my... I have the tiniest chair. I'm sitting my big bodacious booty on. This is so soft. Oh my god. It relax. Oh, I love this. I love this. This is my favorite thing in the box. Favorite. This is completely outrageously like, it feels so decadent. Let's pit myself. Okay, so how are we doing on time? What do you say we sample some wine? Huh? Who's down? Who is down? So these are the 3 bottles that came. Oh my god, I'm hot. Okay, so it works. Ooh, I just heard all that static. I missed it going in my hair by this much. So this looks like a Merlot. Merlot. I know it's pronounced Merlot. I'm a connoisseur. And some... Now this one I forgot how to say. Syrah. Syrah. Look at that. Wicked Bliss. Ooh. Ooh. So then this must be the Chardonnay. How's that for a safe word? Chardonnay! And then it just keeps your glass full. I think we're on to something with that one. Okay, kids. This would not be a complete, true unboxing without a little indulgence. Let's see. I am not the one that usually does this. I ain't gonna lie. But since I am, you know, a brain surgeon in my off time, rocket scientist type stuff, I think I could work a corkscrew. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh, did you hear that? So this is Syrah. So this technically should be chilled, like refrigerator chilled, but since it's freezing in this room right now, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cold. It's not like ice cold, but it'll do. I wouldn't kick no wine out of bed. Let's see how good these... Oh, Syrah is a red. Okay, okay. We be bougie now. Look what I got. Look at what I got, too. Look at how cute is this. That's going to be my cover shot right there for this video. Okay, let's see what this good old California wine tastes like. Oh, with some of our drizzled popcorn. It's good. Let's check this out. My daughter's always teasing me. She's like, you make it look so good. I know, right? Oh, goddamn. That's bomb. That makes that wine go down smoother. Okay. We gotta clear our palate. Holy crap, that's good. Okay. This? That's good. Alright. Be classy. Look at my glass. See, look how classy I am. Can you say bougie? Hmm? Oh. Oh. That's delightful. The third or fourth glass usually goes down a lot smoother. Okay. Well, that's our VineOh box for today. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure had a good time. I'm about to have a little bit more of a good time. So, we will see you next time. You guys stay safe, have fun, and make it worth it. Love y'all. Bye.